Kan soil and water conservation hak sengi pali kalapun ku berami ki arpamut ki samla ki bila pendep ek training bakhatwi banai ha conservation training institute bernihan hakani ka sengi lai dan langru menteri badai pet jaga soil and water conservation uba hamnet doling ulawan ban shimpenta kum kongsan ban le burami ki samla ki bila pendep ya kati training hakani ka sengi la sakhiru daka jigitan dekat ULN Marak Director Soil and Water Conservation uba DS Shalan Additional Director ka Soil ka kong S Posnem Joint Director CTI Bernihan uba JS Ware Joint Director Headquarter Shillong bat kuntup nadu kitu samla kibla pendep ya ke training bat ru ki khana school ka CTI Bernihan.
Because of their help and intention that they provided them to us, we were able to understand the course and be more engaged to it. They made the class very interesting and exciting that sometime when Sir or ex-joint director teach us about rubber and the benefit we can get from it, we feel like we want to buy a land and plant rubber right away. And when Madam CM teach us agronomy, we want to plot the land and want to become an agronomist.
After 47 years of its existence, I think it is high time that we should upgrade this institute. As of now, this is only a seat, right? I have only discussed with the director and external director that it is high time that we should take up and upgrade the seat into the directorate level, directorate of research and training, something like that. Because this institution is one of the very, very important institution that will help, especially the farmers who are in need to get the advice and the awareness, especially from this training institute. So, on my level, I will check up with the government that this institute will be upgraded to the directorate